Welcome back to Class 5 Mathematics, Unit 13, Time and Temperature, Part 2. Time and Temperature, Part 2. In this, we have to recall the relations which you have learned in Part 1. That is 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, and 1 year is equal to 12 months. So we are going to do addition and subtraction of time using these three relations. Let us begin with an example of addition of time. Example 1. What is the sum of 40 minutes plus 40 minutes? We have to arrange them one by one down. Yes. Now what is 40 plus 40? 80 minutes. Now see what I am going to do. I am going to split 80 as 60 minutes plus 20 minutes. Why? Because 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour and 20 minutes. So 1 hour 20 minutes is the answer for 40 minutes and 40 minutes. Let us see the second example. Here 1 hour 35 minutes plus 2 hour 45 minutes. Arrange them one by one down as hours together and minutes separately, isn't it? Now we are going to add minutes and hours separately. So we will get 3 hours and 80 minutes. Now see 80 minutes. We know that 80 minutes is equal to 60 minutes plus 20 minutes, isn't it? So 60 minutes will become 1 hour. So 3 hours and 1 hour plus 20 minutes. That is same as 4 hours 20 minutes. Now let us start exercise 13b, page 202, addition of time. See the first question. A. 5 minutes 30 seconds plus 5 minutes 30 seconds. So when you add, we have to arrange them one by one down. Yes. Now we are going to add them separately. Yes, 10 minutes and 60 seconds. Now 60 seconds will become 1 minute. So what is the final answer? 10 minutes and 1 minute. That is equal to 11 minutes. Isn't it? Now see the second question. We are going to do C. 2 hours 25 minutes plus 45 minutes. Here also we are going to arrange them one by one down as two groups. Hours separately, minutes separately. So 2 hours 25 minutes and 45 minutes. So when we add minutes and hours separately, we will get 2 hours and 70 minutes. Now 70 minutes. I am going to split 70 minutes as 60 plus 10. Now see 60 minutes will become 1 hour. So 2 hours, 1 hour plus 10 minutes. That is same as 3 hours, 10 minutes. Is it okay? Now we are going to see how to add years and months together. So let us continue question number E. 3 years 7 months plus 4 years 5 months. Arrange them one by one down as separate groups as years and months. So 3 years 7 months and below 4 years 5 months. Now we are going to add them. So we will get 7 years 12 months. And 12 months, it will become 1 year, isn't it? So 7 years and 1 year, that is a total of 8 years. Now, let us see the next question. 10 years 7 months plus 11 years 7 months. So what to do, children? First of all, arrange them one by one down in two groups, years and months. Yes. Now we are going to add them in two groups. We will get 21 years and 14 months. Now think of 14 months. 14 months is same as, yes, 12 months plus 2 months. Now 12 months is same as 1 year, isn't it? So it will become 22 years and 2 months. Now let us learn subtraction of time. For that, all of you open textbook exercise 13b, question number 2. Are you ready? Yes. The first question is 8 minute 10 seconds minus 7 minute 2 seconds. As usual, we have to arrange minutes and seconds in two groups. Okay? See, we have two groups now. I have erased them. Now, subtract. What is 10 minus 2? 8. And what is 8 minus 7? 1. So, the answer will be 1 minute and 8 seconds. Very easy. But the next one is not as easy as this. Let us see the next question. How to subtract 13 minutes minus 5 minutes 35 seconds. So we are going to arrange one by one down. See, 13 minute means it has 0 seconds. So 13 minutes and 0 seconds. No seconds with us. So you have to put 0, 0, double 0 over there. Now we are going to arrange 5 minutes and 35 seconds below it, isn't it? Now, can you subtract 35 from 0? No. So we have to go for borrowing. So we have 13 minutes. So I have to borrow 1 minute from them, isn't it? So 1 minute is going to become 60 seconds. See how I'm going to do. 13 minutes will become 12 minutes and that 1 minute is going to become 60 seconds. Isn't it? Now 0, 0 gone. We have 60 minus 35. What is 60 minus 35? Yes, it is 25 seconds and 12 minus 5 is 7 minutes. So the final answer is 7 minutes 25 seconds. So here when we are borrowing, you have to keep in mind that 1 minute has how many seconds. That relations will help you to do the things in a better way. Okay? Yeah, shall we continue? Question number C. Yes. 9 hours 20 minutes minus 3 hours 40 minutes. What to do? We have to arrange them one by one down. Yes, see this arrangement. Now think how to subtract 20 minus 40. Small number minus big number. Is it possible? No. So we have to borrow, isn't it? So 9 hours will become 8 hours. So 1 hour will be same as 60 minutes. So we got 60 minutes. And 20 minutes we have already there. So 60 and 20 will become 80 minutes. So 20 is gone. We have 80 minutes now. Now we can subtract 80 minus 40, isn't it? That is 40 minutes and 8 hours minus 3 hours is 5 hours. So the final answer is 5 hours 40 minutes. Is it okay? Now let us do question number F. 8 years 6 months minus 6 years 8 months. First of all, arrange them one by one down. Yes. Now see, can we subtract 6 months minus 8 months? No, because 8 is greater than 6. So we have to go for borrowing. So 8 years will become 7 years. So 1 year is same as 12 months. So we got 12 months at a time. So what is 6 plus 12? That is 18 months. Now 6 is gone. We have 18 months now. What is 18 minus 8? That is 10 months. And 7 minus 6 is 1 year. So the final answer is 1 year, 10 months. So subtraction is not easy as addition. So you need to practice it very well. Okay. Now we are going to learn how to apply the concept of addition and subtraction of time in your real life situation. Okay. So take page number 202, exercise 13b. In this first question, A. Anisha practiced for her school elocution competition for 35 minutes on one day and 45 minutes on the next day. How long did she practice in all? So the last sentence shows that you have to do addition, isn't it? So we will do the solution. We are going to add 35 minutes and 45 minutes. What is the sum? 80 minutes. But we know that we can split 80 as 60 minutes plus 20 minutes. Why? Just because 60 minutes is same as 1 hour. So the final answer will be Anisha practiced 1 hour 20 minutes in all. Okay. Now we will do question number B. Harish went to school for 11 years 6 months and college for 5 years 9 months. How many years of education is that? So what to do? We have to find the total number of years spent, isn't it? So we have to do addition. Solution. First of all, we are going to write 11 years 6 months and 5 years 9 months one by one down. We need to add months separately, years separately. What do we get now? Yes, 16 years and 15 months. Okay. Now think of 15 months. 15 months we can split as 12 months plus 3 months. Why? Because 12 months is same as 1 year. Isn't it? So we have already 16 years and 1 year. So the final answer will be 17 years. So Harish did 17 years and 3 months of education in all. Okay. Now we will continue question number D. Jayasri could swim a particular length in 3 minutes 22 seconds. After some practice, she could swim the same length in 2 minutes 40 seconds. By how much time had her speed improved? So earlier she was taking more than 3 minutes. Now she is taking 2 minutes and 40 seconds. That means she has improved her speed. By how much? So we have to find the difference between the timings, isn't it? For that we need to do subtraction. So we have to arrange the time 3 minutes 22 seconds and 2 minutes 40 seconds one by one down. Now can we subtract 22 minus 40? No, because 22 is smaller and 40 is greater than 22. So we need to go for borrowing. Let us borrow. 3 minutes will become 2 minutes. So 1 minute is borrowed. 1 minute will become 60 seconds. So now we have 22 seconds and 60 seconds together, 82 seconds. Now 22 seconds is gone. Now we are going to subtract 82 minus 40. How much it is? 42 seconds. And 2 minus 2 is 0. So the final answer is her speed improved by 42 seconds. Okay. Now question number E. A normal train from Chennai to Bangalore takes 6 hours 10 minutes. The Shatabdi Express takes 4 hours 45 minutes. How much time do you save by traveling on Shatabdi? The first train is taking 6 hours and more than that. And second one is taking 4 hours and more than that. So there is a difference between the timings. So how much time do you save? How will you find out the difference between the time? By subtraction, isn't it? So we are going to subtract 6 hours 10 minutes minus 4 hours 45 minutes. Arrange it one by one down. Now, can we subtract 10 minus 45? No. So, we have to borrow. So, 6 hours will become 5 hours. Now, 1 hour is taken to minutes part. So, 1 hour is 60 minutes. So, 10 minutes and 60 minutes will become 70 minutes, isn't it? Now, 70 minus 45. It is 25 minutes and 5 minus 4 is 1 hour. So, the final answer is I can save 1 hour 25 minutes by traveling on Shatabdi Express. Now, we are going to learn how to find the finishing time. So, there is a formula: starting time plus elapsed time gives the finishing time. What does it mean? You know what is starting time. Suppose an event you are going to start at what time? That is called starting time. Suppose an examination is going to start at 10 a.m. That is starting time. And elapsed time means the time which you are using for it. Isn't it? So the time spent during an event or an activity is the duration of the event or elapsed time. In the examination time, you will get sometimes 3 hours for a paper. So elapsed time is 3 hours. 3 hours time is the duration for writing the exam. And when you add the starting time and elapsed time, you will get the finishing time. Okay? Now we are going to see how to find the finishing time of an event in a real life situation. Take page number 205, exercise 13C. Question number B. Nikhil's birthday party started at 11:45 a.m. and finished 3 hours 40 minutes later. When did the party finish? So, what is the starting time? 11:45 a.m. and the duration is 3 hours 40 minutes. And we have to find out what is the finishing time. So, how to find the finishing time? Starting time plus elapsed time or duration will give you the finishing time, isn't it? So, let us do the solution. So, we have to add 11:45 a.m. that is 11 hours 45 minutes plus 3 hours 40 minutes. So, what is the sum? We will get 14 hours and 85 minutes. But we know that 85 minutes we can split into 60 minutes plus 25 minutes. Why? Because 60 minutes will make 1 hour. So we have 14 hours plus 1 hour will become 15 hours and 25 minutes. So what is the time? How to express the time? 15 hours is same as 3:25 p.m. So the answer is the party finished at 3:25 p.m. Now we are going to see another example, that is question number D. Prachi started practicing the Veena at 1:15 p.m. and finished 1 hour 20 minutes later. What time did she finish? What we have to find here? Finishing time. How to find the finishing time? We have to know starting time and duration. What is the starting time? 1:15 p.m. and duration is 1 hour 20 minutes. So solution. We are going to add 1:15 p.m. that is 13 hours and 15 minutes, isn't it? Plus 1 hour 20 minutes. So the answer will be 14 hours 35 minutes. 14 hours is same as 2:35 p.m. So the final answer is she finished her practice at 2:35 p.m. Dear children, after practicing these work, you have to do homework as question number 1. B and D. Question number 2, D and E. And question number 3, only C. Okay. So have a nice day. Thank you so much.